Okay, so the last unit in this, or the last lesson in this unit is about pay stubs. And I'm sure a lot of you already know this information, so it shouldn't be too bad. But when you get your paycheck and you look at this pay stub that you get, it's kind of overwhelming and it's kind of hard to figure out what they're talking about. So this picture that I have down here does a really good job of explaining to you what the parts of your paycheck are. So for number one, it tells you right down here, where's number one? Anyways, number one is the W-4 that you fill out. Okay, that's this right here, the W-4. And that's where your exemptions and your allowances are. Now, since many of you are single and your parents still claim you, you probably would put a 0 for this. And that way they take out the most amount of taxes that they can. And then when April comes around and the taxes are filed, you most likely get a return. That's a little different as you get older and have children and get married because then your dependents change. Okay, so number two is your federal and state income taxes, and you can see those right here in the deductions. Three is your Medicare tax. Four is your Social Security, and you can see those right here as well. Those are deductions. And then you have other things. If you have health insurance or if you have a flex spending, maybe you have life insurance or a retirement plan that you're saving for, all of those things can be found right over here. Okay? And so this side gives you the definition and why we do those things. Okay? What I would like you to do after you've looked this over is I'd like you to answer these few questions. The first thing is a question about Rachel. That's whose paycheck you're looking at. Okay. And then the other one is just information about the different deductions that come out of her check. And that is it for today. That's it for lesson 5. That's it for unit 3.